Members of the Honorable Court, in my submissions, I will rely on the petition we filed jointly with the three others, which is dated 22nd of August. I also have submissions which I filed alone, which are dated 26th of August. And I also have a further affidavit which is dated the 29th of August. My lords, before I remark on the mathematics, I just wanted to make a small observation as regards point number 1. And I think the elephant in the room is point number 1. What kind of election does the Constitution of Kenya anticipate? That's a question that I've seen documents and videos by some members of the court telling me that even this court does not comprehend the kind of election anticipated under Article 81 and 86 of the Constitution. Short of a digital election, you cannot meet the constitutional threshold.
Mr. Mutata, what
Yes.
did you say?
I said I've come across publications and video recordings by some members of the bench who complain that the 14 days the court is given to determine a dispute concerning the presidential election is too short. And I'm saying that statement demonstrates the failure of, with due respect, the honorable judges of this court to understand the electoral architecture in the Constitution of Kenya 2010. The Constitution of Kenya 2010 only anticipates a digital election. And if we are dealing with a digital election, 14 days is too much. But if you are dealing with a paper election, a manual election, you need maybe 2 months. That's where I wanted to begin. And this election does not meet the threshold in the Constitution at all. The presidential election, the one I'm referring to, that's before this court. It's not simple. That's why you have got spoiled ballots. In a digital election, you don't have spoiled ballots or rejected ballots. And you don't even have the question of whether the spoiled or rejected ballots count. It's not verifiable. Right now, I cannot verify where the ballots I cast went. I don't know. The moment I dropped them in that box, I lost all contact with those ballots. There's no mechanism of verifying. A digital election would give me a serial number by which I could track my ballots. So I'm saying that if you look at the threshold in the Constitution, we must work towards a digital election and move away from these paper elections, which allow human interference without sometimes leaving footprints. I would now go to my submissions. I was supposed to be given some aid. Yes. Where the...
If the time could stop running, we had supplied the electronic instruments to the court